Hey guys, quick prep fish dinner. So this is cod. You can make this with halibut, you can use orange roughy. I just love cod because it's sweet and flaky and I just love the consistency of it. These are previously steamed green beans that I made, and I'm gonna reheat them in a pan with a little bit of garlic and butter. And then I'm just gonna cook up some of my favorite pasta, and I'm gonna make a really simple tomato sauce. It's gonna be super easy, so check this out. You're gonna put the fish right in the middle. So now what we're gonna do is salt and pepper the fish, rub it with some olive oil and lemon juice, super easy. So I put a lot of salt on my fish because I find that fish can take a lot of salt. But if you're sensitive to that, then don't do that. Little drizzle of olive oil, about 1 teaspoon. Rub it in there on all the sides. Then we'll do this one, rub it in on all the sides. So now we're gonna add some lemon juice, fresh squeezed. Who doesn't love some fresh squeezed lemon juice on cod? So now we're gonna seal these up into little pouches and they cook in their own juices and the olive oil and the lemon juice, and it's so good. This is 1 egg beaten in a little bowl, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this over like a little envelope, okay? You want it to seal like it's in a little pouch. Your counter will get a little messy when you're doing this, so just know that. So this egg is gonna seal this envelope so everything stays inside. Now we're gonna fold it over like this and it seals together. And now what we're gonna do is you take the corner and you just fold it down. You just keep folding, folding. Then at the corner, you fold in, keep folding. Another corner, keep folding, folding, folding. And then when you get to this tail, tuck it under. And now this is ready to go on the pan. So let's pick it up gently, put it on the pan, and that's how it's gonna go into the oven. So now we're gonna do the other one. And this is so beautiful. Like, you can serve it in the envelope, which I have done, or you can just, you know, cut it out, which I'm actually gonna do tonight. But now the end, fold it under, then gently lift. And now this is gonna go into a 400-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. We'll check it after 12, but depending on your oven, you might wanna cook it for 15 minutes. So let's get this in the oven. Isn't that beautiful? It's so beautiful. I love this. So we have 2 minced garlic cloves that I'm cooking in some butter and olive oil. Pasta, very simple tomato sauce with just strained tomatoes that were bottled, organic. I added some garlic salt, dried oregano, salt and pepper, and this is cooking down to thicken up. Let's do it. So the whole point is to have these sides done before the fish is done, which is gonna happen. So I got the green beans cooking, the pasta's cooking, my sauce is almost done, and we almost got dinner on the table. So we got the green beans cooking in that garlic. I added some salt, pepper, a little bit more garlic salt. Pasta's cooking, sauce is reducing. Look at how beautiful. So when we cut these open, wait till you guys see this. It's very exciting. So I've served it like this, and then whoever you're giving it to, it's fun for them to rip it open. But you guys, look at this. See how beautiful it is? You can take this, you could top this on rice, you could top this on noodles. It's like this sauce. It's so good, and it's just made from the lemon juice, the olive oil, the salt and pepper, and the juices that came out of the fish. It's so beautiful, and the fish is so moist because it cooked. I'm sorry, I don't love that word. And it's so flaky. Look, it's perfectly cooked. It's so juicy. Oh my goodness. And then I'm gonna carefully just spill a little bit of this sauce on top. So it gets into the fish. Okay, great. I put my pasta in a little separate bowl so this doesn't get on there. Okay, let's do the other one. Oh, it's so good. And when you put this over rice, the rice like sucks up all of the sauce. It's so good. Okay, ready? The actual technical French term for this is papillote, and it's such a beautiful way of cooking fish. Look at how gorgeous and flaky that is. I don't want to, ruin this fish, but oh, you can see, look, you can see the juices in there. And I'm gonna top it with a little bit more of this sauce. Because fresh herbs make everything fancy, or so my mom taught me. Little squeeze of lemon juice, little dash of French sea salt. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this is. Dinner is served. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one, and I'll see you guys soon.